Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Sam and I'm the owner of Malia Stitches, which is an online Etsy shop where we sell kids custom embroidered shirts and some baby clothing. Today I'm going to do a quick video on stitching out on a kid's apron. I have some cute Christmas designs that I wanted to try stitching out on one of these, and so let's get started.
Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live.
Okay, so here's the design I want to stitch out. I think I'm going to have to use my 8x9 mighty hoop for this. I need to measure this to see if it will fit on here actually, because I think 8x9 would be too big. It's going to fit if I can get this to stay up. I want it to fit right here on the chest, so I might have to use my 7.25 by 7.25, I think. I don't, yeah. Sorry if my shoulder's in the picture. Yeah, I'll have to use that hoop instead, because this is only 8 inches across at the top, kind of where I want the design to start, right about here. So it's only 8 inches, so I'll have to use the 7.25 by 7.25. I purchased this off of Amazon. It doesn't have a tag on it, but it came in a pack of 3. It had this white, red, and a black one, and these are kids size. I think they would fit from like it would be big on like a 2-year-old, but it would be small on like a 9 or 10-year-old. So it would be kind of like in between. It would fit that age range, but I think it'd be a little bit too big for a 2-year-old and a little bit too small for a 10-year-old. So I'm gonna advertise it as the like 2 to 9 age range, and we'll go from there. So let me get the design loaded up on the machine, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got the machine ready. So let's hoop this apron. I'm going to use the white one. I've never hooped the apron, so we're going to try this out here. So I'm just going to use this just to steady my bottom piece here. And I'm using a piece of cutaway stabilizer. This is a pre-cut World Widener stabilizer. I get it off Amazon. And I'm just going to lay this here. Hopefully that'll be out of the way enough. I'm just going to center best I can. You can always fold it in half and press it if you wanted to find the center line. This is polyester, so I'm not sure how well it'll stitch out. I'm sure it'll stitch out fine, but I just mean it's going to be different than your cotton knit, like your t-shirts and stuff. That on there. I'm going to try and smooth out some of these wrinkles. think it's pretty good. Centered pretty good. I'm not catching the pocket. We're just gonna stitch out right here. Let's put it on the machine and see how we do. I'm gonna turn you around. Okay. So make sure your strap is out of the way. You can undo it. I think I'm gonna leave it together like that. That way I'm only having to make sure one piece is out of the way since it's connected instead of two pieces. And then just make sure these are out of the way. Got nothing underneath there. I think it's good. Now this one it doesn't have any applique pieces, it just stitches out, so let's get it going. So here I'm just moving the design up a little bit. And we'll trace it. Okay, I'm gonna hit start. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the front. Turned out really nice. On the back, I just cut the stabilizer as close to the design as I could. I might try one time with tearaway stabilizer and see how well that works, but I'm not going to put any like any of the Tender Touch on here. I don't think it's necessary because this isn't going to be directly up against somebody's skin. They will be wearing a shirt underneath, so I don't think it's necessary to put that on there. So I am going to go in here like I am now and clip away the threads that are sticking up. so it looks cleaned up. And then it's all finished. If I can get Malia to hold still long enough for some pictures, I'll have her put this on and take some pictures, and I'll put those at the end. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video on stitching out on these cute adjustable aprons. They have the adjustable neck strap. I will leave a link where I purchased these from Amazon in the description as well. And then these designs, I will also leave a link where I bought those. I believe I bought them from Embroidery Boutique, but I will double check on that and make sure. But if I can get some pictures, I'll do that. And so thank you guys for tagging along while I worked on my very first apron. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we will see you all next time. Bye.
Can't touch me. I'm a gingerbread man.
Hold still so they can see. Turned out really cute. You like it? Yeah? Yeah. All right.